Hi, and here we are at day 4, and we're talking stress and anxiety. Well, we all will experience stress at some stage. It's a normal part of life, and probably to a degree, short bursts of stress are probably not so bad. A little bit of anxiety before an exam to make sure that you're in the best focus, in the best frame of mind to deal with your exam. But too much anxiety and stress, well, this can mean that your butterflies go from flying in formation to out of formation. And if that happens for a long period of time, you start to run into problems. Well, with these stress responses, your body releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These are really fight and flight hormones, preparing you for a brief, high-intensity conflict. They're not designed for your body to be using them long term. The consequence of these long-term exposures are things like high blood pressure, which drive risk of atherosclerosis, which is the word we use for plaque or cholesterol buildup within the arteries, which is the problem that leads to coronary artery disease. That chronic stress response drives inflammation. It can give you funny heartbeats. It can muck up with your sleep, and that's a disaster. And often we'll see people adopt unhealthy coping habits like, smoking or drinking alcohol to try and alleviate that stress, to try and ease it or soothe it. Sometimes people will overeat, and often people, when stressed, won't find the time to exercise, which is a bit ironic because it's one of the very things that can help. So what do? Well, trying to recognize when you're stressed is a great starting point, so some awareness is really important. But to manage stress, breathing is valuable, meditation, yoga, mindfulness. I've already mentioned exercise, and exercise regularly can be as effective as some of the anti-anxiety medications and mild antidepressive agents that we have available pharmacologically. Eating well is really important. Looking after your sleep hygiene is also really, really important. And if stress really is overwhelming you after all those things, seek help. Stress is important. We can't get away from it. But being aware and realizing that you can have some ownership of it is really, really important. Please check out the resources associated with this day. Some of them will be super valuable for you. For now, I'm going to jump, and I look forward to seeing you at day 5. I wish you the very best. Hope you live as well as possible for as long as possible. Take care and bye for now.